Good morning everybody. Just thought I'd do a quick video because I'm waiting in for some deliveries for the new solar system. Hopefully if they arrive while I'm making this video, even though it's only short, then you can see what we've got. But I would like to just take the second to mention some channels that I subscribe to and that have influenced me in doing YouTube in France, and also some channels that I just find interesting, and there aren't many, to be honest, because I don't have the time to look. So obviously the main channel that probably got me all my subscribers, and he's done the same for other channels as well, is Colin from Countryside Life, and I'm lucky enough to have spent a lot of time with him, and we now do a podcast style YouTube channel called French Ear Trumpet. I'm going to say link in the description, but I can't say it every time, so just look in the description after this video and you'll see some of the links and you can have a look at these channels for yourself. Okay, another notable mention is Grahame from Our French House Renovation. Well worth looking at because it's a very popular channel and he gives some really simple solutions and does a lot of DIY jobs, and the videos are really good because they're a bit of talking, then time lapse and a bit of talking, and it follows similar format, so it's easy to get to know. So have a look at that one. Yeah, it's really good. Robbie, of course, escaped to France, Charente. Couple of people who've moved over with 2 kids to France, to the Charente region. I met them through Colin while I was down in the Charente. Really good channel. Robbie does daily vids. I have no idea how he manages to do that. He's got the wherewithal to do it. It takes me probably, I don't know, 2 weeks to put a video together, 4 hours to edit them normally. So how he does a video every day, I don't know, but they're really good to watch. Loads of different subjects about living in France and more of a homestead, I guess, chickens and all that business. Notable mention to Hugh from Wouldn't It Be Nice. He's always first, well, he tries to be first to comment on all my videos, and he has his own channel, and he makes things out of wood, solid wood. So he turns them on a lathe, and the thing I like about that channel is it's really original, and if there's a mistake, there's no clever editing or anything like that. It's genuine. Like, look at his last video that I saw where he's making some a vase from some cherry that Grahame had given him, and it split and he had to repair it, but it still looked really, really good. But you get to see it all. I mean, it really is quite original, and yeah, I really like his videos. Love watching them, so keep making them, Hugh. Another notable mention, I guess, would be to my friend's son, 24/7 Bricks, and he makes Lego models on YouTube, just little ones, but they're going to get bigger, and he's just started out in his YouTube career. And if you've got kids who like watching YouTube with people making Lego, it's a thing now apparently, send them over there. Just have a subscribe, see if we can, he's only got about 40 or 50 subscribers. If we can boost that for him, that would be great, because it's going to be quite popular, I think. Yeah, I don't know whether I would be able to do a channel like that, building Lego models, because I keep making mistakes all the time, but he's really good at it. Yeah, so who else? do I follow? Let's have a look. There is GoingSolo in France, I think is the name. Follow him quite a bit. His is a daily vlog. Again, I find it difficult to keep up with the daily vlogs, but yeah, sometimes you get some good information from him, and yeah, it's always nice to see what he's up to. If you're into gardening and that sort of stuff as well, that's always quite good. So that's it. Oh, hold on. Wait, we have a delivery. Let's go and have a look. Okay, so here we are in the office. I've just brought it upstairs. It's quite heavy. So we've got a solar charger. And then here we have let's have a look. Servo GX Victron. So this is the controller for the whole solar system. If you look at one of my old videos, it's me fitting a very small solar system to the house, doing some tests, and following that I then moved it to the house down south, and it's there still running. I can remotely access it from here as well, which is really good. So following those tests, it led me to work out what I need on the roof, what I need inverter wise, power wise, battery wise, to power the house from the solar and to charge the electric car as well. So let's see what else has come. What's that? Let's have a look. We have a Fronius string inverter. Let's have a look. Ooh, I haven't actually taken it out yet. Just waiting for you, look. Right. It's a bit difficult, so I'm going to put the camera down and have a look. Oh, it's quite heavy, I think. Ooh. It's a lot bigger than the pictures. Okay, so there we go. That is a solar inverter. The kind you just connect to solar panels, and then the other side of it you connect to the house or the mains coming into the house. The solar charger over there in the corner we'll get to eventually, but that's to charge the batteries. This is just to provide power to the house. It'll all make sense later on. Yeah, that's a 5,000 watt or 5 kilowatt inverter. Yeah, that's it. So stand by for more info on that. I just want to mention a few other channels that before the delivery arrived. So I follow French Farmhouse Diaries, Limousine Life, obviously, and also, let me get this right, the African lion. Yep, that's really interesting. Based in America. Love watching what they get up to out there. It's so different to Europe. It's brilliant. And yeah, there's one more. Let me check. Yeah, Dave's Diaries in France. I knew I didn't know whether it was just Dave's Diaries or Dave's Diaries in France, but it's Dave's Diaries in France. Please have a look in the description. This is a short video, so hopefully you've seen it. Visit these people, especially 24/7 Bricks. If we can help him out, give him a few subscribers, that would be brilliant. He's really trying hard, so that'd be good. Okay, next video, hopefully, will be on electric cars in France. What it's like to have them, charge them, and how much it costs to run them. So that's going to be really interesting. It's already been 5 months since I started filming it, so that's how long it takes. I just want to also say thanks to all those people who donate €1 or €2 a month. That's it. Via coffee.com, link in the description. It really helps, actually. It's better than donating anything through YouTube itself. Goes more or less direct to me, which I use exclusively to buy stuff for the videos. You know, just bought a microphone recently to improve the quality, the sounds. Yeah, thanks for that. I really appreciate that. Only €2 a month. What's that? Less than a coffee. That's why it's called coffee, I guess. Anyway, that's it. Please subscribe, share this, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video.